UptoSix Phonics.
Bag. Bag.
Cob.
It. Kit.
Sand.
Ick. Ick.
Stick. Can you spell dad? Dad. Can you spell
Rip. Ip. Rip.
Can you spell tag? Tag.
Tank. Tank.
Tap on the sound that dress begins with. Oh no, can you try again? Tap on the sound that cake begins with. Tap on the sound that
Van.
ends with. Tap on the sound that glass ends with. Listen to the sound. As in apple. Apple. As in astronaut. Astronaut. Can you try writing the sound? Tap on the picture that begins with the sound. Dolphin. Tap on the picture that begins with the sound. Duck. Pack.
Ick.
Picnic.
Bag.
Pack a picnic bag. Dog. On. Log. A dog on a log. Ducks swim in a pond.
Download the UptoSix Phonics apps today.